Hello children, as we have discussed the part 1 of chapter 8, Our Agriculture, today we will learn about its second part. So let's start. So as we have discussed in its earlier part that agriculture provides food for people and raw material for industries. And the growing of crops and rearing of animals is called agriculture. In the previous class, we have also studied about the types of crops we have, that is food crops and cash crops. So what is food crops? Some crops are grown because they are used daily by a large number of people as food items. They are known as food crops. And what is cash crop? Some crops are grown mostly because of their value in the market. Farmers grow these crops to earn money by selling them. These are called cash crops. So as we have learned about the types of crops, now here is a flow chart that shows the different types of agriculture. Yes, here in this flow chart, first is dairy farming, that is used to raising cattle for milk. Second is fishery, that is used for breeding fish. Third is poultry farming, that is used for breeding hens and ducks. Fourth is horticulture, that is used for growing fruits and vegetables and flowers also. And fifth is farming, that is used for growing crops like grains and pulses. So let's discuss some types of agriculture like agricultural production or farming, horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. So we will discuss one by one. So first type is agricultural production or farming. Agriculture is the main occupation in India as the population of India is very large. So to increase the agricultural production, different steps are taken. They are, we can use better seeds, using good agricultural machinery like tractors and modern agricultural machinery like combine and others also we can use, using good quality of fertilizers. If we use good quality of fertilizers and pesticides, the crops can be grown in a better way. Another type of agriculture is horticulture. The cultivation of fruits, flowers and vegetables is called horticulture. They are grown for sale in the market, for example, like marigold, apple, potato, peas, etc. You can see in the picture also. Yes, the places like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, mostly horticultural crops are grown. You can see in the map as it is marked the areas of Jammu Kashmir with red box, Himachal Pradesh with green box, Uttarakhand with purple box and Sikkim with orange box. Now the next is livestock rearing. Animals which farmers keep for their use are called livestock. It includes cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, etc. They are useful in many ways, like cow and buffaloes can give milk. Their waste is used as manure. Bullocks are used to plow fields, draw water from wells and pull carts. Wool is obtained from sheep and camels. As you can see in the picture here, a person is obtaining wool from the sheep. Mules and yaks also come in livestock rearing. As you can see, mules and yaks are used to transport goods and people in hilly areas. In hilly areas, yak's milk is also used, as yak is a kind of a cow of hilly areas. Camels are used in desert area to transport goods easily. They are also used in tourism in desert area. Camels have paddy feet so they can easily walk on sand. Now next type is fishing. Fishing is of two types, marine and inland. A. Marine fishing. Catching fish from the sea is called marine fishing. And B1. Inland fishing. Catching fish from the rivers, canals, lakes and ponds is called inland fishing. Inland fishing is popular in places like Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam and Himachal Pradesh. As you can see in the map below, Himachal Pradesh marked with pink, Assam marked with purple, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh are also marked in the boxes. So now it's activity time. You have to find out in your neighborhood how many families are doing horticulture and livestock rearing. You have to write in the table. Another activity is for you. Make a beautiful wall hanging or toran by collecting any food crops available at your home like wheat, rice, pulses, millets. Millets contain jowar, bajra and ragi. Now follow the steps which I am telling you. Take different kind of pulses easily available at your home. Then take small polypacks and put pulses into it. In one polypack, you will put only one kind of food crop. After putting them, staple the polypacks into triangle shape or whatever shape you like. You have to name each food crop. Like if you are putting wheat, you have to name the polypack with wheat. Then make a wall hanging or toran by adding some decorative items easily available at your home with the help of a string. And have fun and make it a beautiful wall hanging. Thank you so much.